Shawn record up on the road, you see me? Just by 10 days of water. Give to some sun and some dark. You hear that? But this I never know. Okay,
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, Media Fox, no. Yeah, man, you know things that people. So, me see Shawn run on, make a post. Yeah, man. So look what man saying in that post. So man say, yo, any artist who don't help out Jamaica in these times, who no can't come back a yard and get no forward. Plus we I go stop play uno songs. And finally, uno can go Ray Mother, something more than one bag of thing. All our artists are never help Jamaica in this time. Shawn, easy as said, brother. Because you there donate, and me not see nobody a play your song them. Me not see nobody a play your song them, brother. So, what the problem? Eh? Because me never know, say, from where do you know? Me always a say no people. See? Me never know, say, everybody have strength with this calling out artists. Me nah hear nobody a call out the government body or anybody. Me never know, say, then wait. Jamaican people them pay tax to the artists them now? That more I know. Who responds to the people in the country? The government or the artists of Jamaica? More I know. Cause Shawn him, I go run out. And I go say, then we the people. Who Shawn really attack? When he mean can't come back to Jamaica, come back a yard, zine, and get no forward for song. I don't think again people. Who him really attack? Who him really attack? Cause the only artist when me hear people attack about one bag of thing are Alkaline. So me no know if he might try put something out there or what. Seeing cause of one artist alone everybody a call out saying no donate. Seeing? So what the problem? But Shawn I go say if the artists them not donate, them not get them no forward on them song. But Shawn for your fall from prison, you have Vice Cartel. How much people play a song? How much DJs at Jamaica play a song? Shawn me see I put out song much time fam. Seeing? And where you donate, where you give back something. Me not hear them around with their song. Them supposed to replay a song all 100 times. So what's the problem? Eh? Some wanna sit down and talk about or what? How that forward out? You're first artist. Well, basically me hear a forward and I make them statement about no artist song now go play if them not donate and what you mean? The artists them no, and not them run the country, and not them responsible for the people's needs. You understand? So I don't know where you forward with this statement you're from. Brother, just focus by your music. See? Focus by your music, brother. Cause no for uni, no for una do things for hype and clout. That's why no they are call out other artists. Not knowing say maybe them artists there I donate to some people where them know say you issue out packages and thing. But through uno forward out and make uno video and yo people have to see we donate the clout and every little thing and true artists out there. When they really do the clout, them just care about the people them getting back them help and support. Uno they are call out artists and all of them little thing there. See? But no for uno me nah hear uno for call out the real people them who forget call out. Seeing? Call out the people them who responds to the people them. Yes, over the years, the people them support the artists them. Yes, and the artists them with a willing heart say, yo, me have to give back the people them. But there's no laws say if any disaster happen in Jamaica, the artists them must help. So when they out here call out artists and all of them things there, bro, when I make a wrong movement. See, because right now, the majority of the artists them we are donate right now, them a do a well proper job because them a go beyond a things where them know for you do. Me see artists out there have tractor, truck, everything a pathway for go reach some people, and artists out there build house, everything. But enough of them responsibility are just respect and just supporting the people of the country. Yeah. So when you forward out, man, some of the time when I make some statement when I make no sense, brother. Is it call out the real people them fam. You are call out yes about all artists them. Who you really attack chance them? You should have call name, man, call name. Call if you call name, cause sometimes when I say it in a plural ways when I just one person attack, you know. See? Yeah man, call name, man. Cause when you go say, see, when it like him I say, yo, you can't come back a yard and get forward. Plus, we are gonna stop play on songs. But chance time, I never know you're a DJ. I never know you're a selector, dog. People, I never know say chance time with a selector. Huh? Me never know say chance time a selector. Me I tell you that because the man say we are gonna stop playing a song. But chance time, the people them stop play for your song for 13 years, for 14 years now. So, what you mean by stop play a song? Me never know. People, me never know say a Shawn Sam control DJ them in Jamaica now. It looks so. It looks so. Cause man I go say, yo, you can't come back a yard and get no forward. But Shawn Sam, you're not really getting no forward. The artists are forward, you're not getting too much forward right now. See? Because through you help, and everybody say you help. So when you there and you sit down and you watch other artists, you know. You watch what other artists do. See, me know your boss forward already and say you him just a do film thing, him now watch no man. So me no know how come you forward out now I make them a statement there. Member say cartel say yo him just a help the people him now watch nobody. So me no know how you forward out and I make them a statement yeah. But brother, supporting them people them are not, bro. I know the artists them respect. You have to remember, you know, brother. Remember say the people them, remember say the artists them have for them family too, you know. Because it come like say artists just forward out and no generation of people or what, you understand? Or no father or no mother. Them have for them people too. Them have maybe have all people who house blow down. What them have to deal with. So when you just feel like say, I don't feel like say every artist rich and have money. Eh? And not every artist, you know, because the man them are artists means that them have it like that, you know. Is it? But brother, you are talk about songs and your song them now get play Jamaica much less, brother. So I don't know where you get that the thing there from. Is it? But people, me see Govana forward out, you know, me I say, oh John, I want to them man dog. See Govana a good artist and thing, you know, but the man make a statement and me I say, yo, want to some of them artists, yeah. Dog. Some of the time, brother, I'm for just do on that, bro, just if you not help the people, just help the people though. Stop say something when I make no sense, brother. So look at now people. So Governor, I go say, he might make that statement. He man say, yo, everybody at work the same way. So a man can even go buy a sheet, a zinc for somebody out in the west. As entertainers, we have to keep the wheel of this economy going. Why Governor? I don't know that. Look like you're Tony artist, them in a politician, you know. Yeah, man. Cause keeping the wheel of economy going. I don't know what you mean, cause me see the artists them I do what them have to do already. Yeah. As some you see it, remember say we have responsibility, you know, brother. We have family for feed and remember say we not do no shows right now. We not really do much shows. So yeah, I want to come and try collect a little food around this and thing. I mean, saying can just go and just give you and I buy this and I buy that. Me feel like the artists them do all way a lot already. Yeah, man, the artists them do a lot already. Me I tell you, the artists them go right out for the people in Jamaica. I saw me see it and you have other artists who maybe still do them things same way. Yeah. So all of these things, the artists them just do it out of them art for know say yo, Jano. The people might go through a little warm, little time and you know. Yeah, I just some see it people. But the artists them go beyond things already. So when no forward and I say yo this and the no need of a call out artists. Why there's need for call out artists? Me not understand. When I see how much artists already do with them for do. And every artist in Jamaica you feel like say if you just boom and just jump and do things in a brother. Remember say them have family in the west where them have to deal with. Maybe our house blow down flat where them have to go bill. You know, as I remember say artists they just have money put on so brother. Artists have to deal with them family too. You see it, so I just one of them think the people, but sometimes man they make some statement that you see it. Wheel of economy, a government control the wheel of economy, you know. And them have to do what them do. And art and entertainers control that. Not entertainers. Yeah. So me know una as artists no can forever do it. How long una go there for help the people them the next 2-3 years, then we won't have for yourself. If we not get no bookings, no show and thing, we not go help the people them the real way. But we not do no part and play no part already. Me know say I do nyagi, you are part of that too. We not do no part already. Majority of the artists them do them for do already. I tell you. Some of them you might not see them, but they may be like gear thing without me. Can everybody love the media thing, you know. Yeah, man, and everybody love the media thing. You see it? So, artists do them thing, support the people, them, and it's a good look. Yeah, it's a good look. But calling out these artists, nah. You cannot call out artists just so like say the artists, them, like a them response to the people, them, nah. You see me? Them just a help out, you know. The support over the years where the people them give them, yeah, them just a show back a respect and show back a support. So like when them pop up on a show and buy on a ticket and everything, yeah, them show no support. So now when them need back that support, they know, yeah, una just give them back. But no mean say una responsible for them. You understand? I just love and you know, who have it can give back. Yeah. All if artists out there when I donate, still can't bash them. We don't know them artists they are go through. Or you understand, like enough artists right now I give. You see me right now. And every artist have it like that for do what them can do. But if there's some artists I just give a thing. And enough artists they will do things. Them just not load it up. Not just that are the problem. But the watching an artist thing, nah. Just work with the process. Yeah. The government them can do what them have to do. Yeah. I feel them job that. Not the artists. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, big up on yourself, you know. When I don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.